How to buy Bitcoin in 2026, step by step. Buying Bitcoin today is easier than opening a bank deposit, but there are nuances that can cost you money. What you need. You will need a document for verification. This can be a passport, ID card or driver's license, a bank card or account, an account on a cryptocurrency exchange. Registration. Choose a reliable exchange. This can be, for example, Coinbase, Binance, Bybit, or others. Register. Pass identity verification. This is a standard procedure. Deposit. Refund your account using a card or bank transfer. Check the commission before confirmation. Purchase. Choose a BTC USDT pair or any other. Specify the amount. Confirm the purchase. Now you are the owner of Bitcoin. Withdrawal to wallet. Do not leave large amounts on the exchange. Copy your wallet address, paste it into the withdrawal field, check the first and last characters, confirm the transaction. Mistakes. Do not buy with all your money at once. Do not trust promises of quick enrichment. Do not react emotionally to market drops. Now you are not just a spectator, you are a participant in the crypto market. In the next video, I will show you how to make cryptocurrency bring passive income. Subscribe if you want to understand the market more deeply than 90% of beginners.